So welcome to Wall Street Syndicate, where we don't chase stocks, we find them. Every day we uncover high conviction buying opportunities, breakout setups, and hidden gems before the crowd even catches on. Now, if you're ready to stay one step ahead of the market, make sure you guys come through and hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to show you all what I think the next breakout stock is. Now, before you buy any stock, I want you to watch this, because this stock right here, it is definitely bullish. It has created a couple of areas that we've seen the market buyers step in. All of the day ones who put the money on the line first is coming in on this stock. And with this stock, we're going to try to go ahead and pinpoint where we think this market is going to go by price prediction. Now, you guys want to see what the stock is? 3, 2, 1. There it is. Charles River Laboratories International. I know you're like, what in the world is that? Who even heard of this particular stock? Me neither, but I do know charts, and this chart is looking bullish. And I wanted to come to you all and show you all what's been going on in this market for this stock. Nobody else has been talking about this stock. Nobody probably even knew that this stock even existed. But look at what it's been doing. It's been trading all the way up there around 400. Check that out. August of 2021, this stock was trading at a high of $460.21, and you never even heard of it. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. There's plenty of stocks, hundreds, thousands of stocks that trade just like this, and you don't know nothing about them. But people are still in here making this money. And this is Charles River. The ticker symbol is, CRL. And you guys can see that it's formulated a new area of buying. This is on the 1 month chart, and this is the area that I'm eyeing to see these buyers. These are the day ones ever since 2025. They're the day ones. They're the ones who's been supporting this stock. Well, really, the day ones are down here. So I'm just going to keep it real. These are the day ones. Okay. The day twos are up here on that second buy pocket that I created. This stock is bullish. Look what it's doing. It's making higher lows. One low. And here's the second low. And this is on the monthly chart, and it's still bullish. It's still going higher. Now, we got those areas. We can see where the buyers are. Check this out. These are where the sellers are. Okay. So this will be the hurdles that we're looking at if we're looking for the stock to go up. Okay. This would be the problem. These would be the areas that the market can actually stop and reject us from going any further. So we're going to keep our eyes open on these sell pockets right there on the monthly chart. Here it is on the 5 week. This is even bullish, more bullish than what the monthly chart looks like, because you don't get that rejection right here at this second buy pocket. Weakness came in, strength came in right after. Weakness came in, strength came in right after. The only problem is that we're hitting the sell pocket right now in Charles River, so we can see some immediate price action to where the market will go down. Look at this on the 3 months. Weakness came in on the last 3. Strength came in right after. And that's a very bullish 3 month price bar. Okay. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Take a look at it on the 2. You can see right here off of the market price getting into the sell pocket right here on the 2. Look what happened on the next 2 weeks. It didn't even go nowhere. It stayed right there by the sell pocket, meaning that those buyers are still in there holding the market. They're still buying whoever's trying to sell within that sell pocket. Look at that. Even on the weekly, you guys can see how many weeks this stock has just been trading right below that sell pocket. If this was true selling, these 5 weekly price bars would not still be up here. It would have been an immediate price reaction if those sellers were truly there and the buyers were not interested. So for us to see this stock holding this area right below that sell pocket gives us even more confidence that this stock wants to continue its move to the upside. Okay. So I think we want to run this on the weekly chart. We're going to put this on the weekly, and I'm going to add like 2 more sell pockets. I'm going to place one right here, and we're going to add this one right here. Not that far, this one. Okay, now there's a gap right here on the weekly time frame right here though. So let me get rid of that. We're going to make this into a gap and see if the price is going to fill this gap right in that area. So let's change color so we'll know that this is a gap. All right. Now we're going to run this back and we're going to hold this on the weekly chart. We're going to go ahead and drop on this prediction. Hold on, let me place one right here too, y'all. A buy pocket though. So we're gonna make that into a pocket of buying. Boom, right there, just like that. And let me go ahead and put on this prediction here. And I don't want to see the market fall below these buyers down there, because if it does that, then we definitely have some problems and issues, and this won't work out. Now, first target is going to be the high of this sell pocket right here. 254, that's 8.57% there. Our next target is going to be this next sell pocket in between 270 and 276. That's 17.86% there. And then we're going to try to see if we can run and fill this gap. 308 all the way up there around 330. That's 40.75% run there. Now this may take some time. Okay, so you have to be patient and allow this market to do what it do. Okay, so let's go ahead and just put this on ice. We're going to keep this on the weekly. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and place this here so we'll know that this is on the weekly time frame. And we're going to save it, and that is it. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you guys maintain profit, and as always, trade different.